Hey friends, if you're planning a family trip to Tromso, Norway, I've got a great tour company recommendation for you. I want to share our honest review of two amazing tours we did with Northern Yachting Company, which we booked through Viator. They were both done on the same day, one in the morning, one in the evening, and I will link the links to the tours through the Viator in the description next to the video. Let's start with our daytime fjord cruise. We booked this 3-hour catamaran fjord cruise that departed at 10 o'clock in the morning, literally from the harbor next to our hotel, which was super convenient when you're traveling with children. The total cost was around $400 for our family of four, which breaks down to about $146 per adult with significant discount for children, which we paid roughly about $50 per kid. What we absolutely loved about this tour was how intimate it felt. Northern Yachting keeps their groups small, maximum 12 people, so it felt personal and relaxed. And when we were there at the end of September, there was only one more family with us. We loved our captain. He was incredibly knowledgeable. He was sharing fascinating stories about local history, the ecosystem. He even pointed out a secret submarine base from World War II, and he showed us some historical object from that era. He was really cool with kids. He explained things very simply so they could understand. He even showed them how to drive a catamaran. The catamaran itself was awesome for families. The kids could move around freely. They could go outside. They could go inside if they felt cold. There was bathrooms on board. They provided life jackets for everybody. And we felt completely safe the entire time we were on this cruise. They also gave us snacks and hot beverages such as coffee. That was a really nice touch. Now, I'll be honest, we didn't see much wildlife on this particular cruise, even though the Viator description does say Arctic Fjord and Safari Cruise. But you know what? It was fine. It didn't matter. The fjord scenery was absolutely breathtaking, and the educational aspect more than made up for it. The real magic happened that evening with their Northern Lights cruise. The tour started at 8 o'clock at night and lasted roughly 3 to 4 hours, with the duration depending on how quickly you can see the lights and how long you want to stay out there looking at those lights. We paid $426 total for this excursion, which roughly comes out to $162 per adult with 50 to 60% discount for kids. Here's why I think seeing the Northern Lights on a catamaran is a go-to with kids. The other tours were bus type tours and lasted 7 to 8 hours as they were chasing the Northern Lights. This tour was shorter, which is what I liked when you have young kids who are very tired. They can move around freely. They were not stuck in one seat. They can go outside on the deck or inside when they were cold. And we got to see the city lights of Tromso from the dark fjords, which was really nice and beautiful. We saw the Northern Lights by 9 p.m. that night, and honestly, it was so special to see them above the lights of Tromso. Like, it made the whole scenery a lot more mesmerizing. And then we got to go back to our hotel room at a reasonable time so that the kids were not overtired for the next day activities. Well, the Northern Yachting stores aren't cheap, but the quality, safety, family-friendly approach make them worth every penny. If you're visiting Tromso with kids and want experiences that work for the whole family, these are the tours to book. Drop a comment below if you have any questions about Northern Yachting or traveling to Tromso with kids. I am happy to help and answer any questions. I will also post a link to my blog post about Northern Yachting in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy travels. This was definitely a travel experience that restored our souls.